Big news from the world of tech and chips. Samsung Electronics has just signed a staggering $16.5 billion multi-year contract with Tesla. According to regulatory filings and confirmed by Tesla CEO Elon Musk, Samsung will manufacture Tesla's next-generation AI6 chips at its new semiconductor facility in Taylor, Texas. Production is scheduled to begin around 2026 and continue through 2033. These AI6 chips are expected to power Tesla's autonomous driving systems, humanoid robots, and AI model training in data centers, reinforcing Tesla's shift toward robotics and data infrastructure. Elon Musk emphasized that Tesla will help optimize Samsung's manufacturing efficiency. "I will walk the line personally to accelerate progress," Musk said, praising the fab's proximity to his home. He also noted that the $16.5 billion figure may just be the baseline, with actual value possibly several times higher. Wall Street responded fast. Samsung shares surged 6 to 7%, reflecting investor confidence in a potential turnaround for its underperforming foundry business. This deal is a critical win, as Samsung tries to catch up with global foundry leader TSMC, which currently controls around 67% of the market, while Samsung holds just 8%. Analysts say this could open doors to other major contracts. In short, it's a landmark moment, a $16.5 billion bet on future AI, robotics, and autonomous tech, with Tesla and Samsung taking AI chip making to a new scale.